Have you ever loved someone so much that even their absence still feels like presence? My son was born weighing 1 pound. The doctors kept saying, maybe hours, maybe days. I still remember their faces, the practiced sympathy, the careful way they avoided eye contact. One nurse touched my shoulder and said, maybe you should start preparing yourself. But I saw something they didn't. In that maze of tubes and wires, beneath skin so thin you could see his heart beating, was a tiny fighter. His chest would rise and fall with these determined little breaths that seemed to say, not yet, not done. I took a job cleaning the hospital floors at night to be near him. During breaks, I'd sit by his incubator, slipping my fingers through the holes. His hand, smaller than my fingernail, would always find my finger and grip it. The strength in that grip. I don't think I'll ever feel anything more powerful. We made it 89 days. 89 days of watching his every breath, celebrating every gram gained, fearing every infection. Then one morning, the monitors stopped. They gave me a memory box with his tiny handprint inside. Sometimes when I can't sleep, I trace those tiny lines. And for a moment, I can feel that grip again. That impossible strength. People ask if I'm okay now. I tell them I'm stronger. That's what he taught me in those 89 days. That strength isn't about size. It's about holding on when the world says, let go.